Hey everyone, good morning, it's Deborah, and welcome to Daisy Def Crafts. Today I want to show you some of the projects I've made using the KSCRAFT December dies. So I have the December cherry bag topper, the December vintage heart. This is an old one, Valentine banners. And then I do have a KLJUYP December 2025 lip balm gift box. So I want to show you those. So let's start out with the lip balm gift box. So this is it. I didn't have the correct type of fiber or ribbon for a closure, but look how cute it is. It even has the layer for the bottom. Oh, my lighting is really off, guys. It's morning, so I mean it's still dark outside. So, but anyway, I had a cherry lip balm and I put it in here. But this is how it cuts out, and then of course it cuts out the layering pieces for a layering piece for this, a layering piece for this, and then the layering piece for this at the top, I couldn't get it to fit. So therefore I didn't have any layering pieces. I guess you could cut an extra one in just this portion and layer that over it, and that would work to, make that. And maybe on additional ones I'll do that, but it's super cute. So that's the KLJUYP December 2025 lip balm gift box. That's something that would have to be purchased on AliExpress. Okay. Then here's the December Valentine. Now these are not from December. These are from another, I can't remember which month, maybe even last year. But they're super cute. I love every time KSCRAFT does these banners. They are so easy, guys. They are the easiest. The letters even cut out great. You could use the negative for other projects if you wanted to. But they're super cute, and they cut out these little lips and hearts and the flowers and everything. And you can just decorate them up as much as you want. I kept these pretty simple, but this is a cute die. I will see if it's on Amazon, because I do know it is an older die. And I have Halloween versions, fall versions, Thanksgiving versions of these. They are great. I hope they make more of these. All right. So that's that project. And then here is the vintage heart. He is super, super, super cute. I just love him. I couldn't poke out the hands. I ruined a couple of hands, so I just left it with this little portion in there. But he's super cute. You could do so many things with him. In fact, I noticed this lip from the banner dies. You could actually use those lips for his lips in place of those. I do like this one better though, but look how cute he is. So cute. All right, and then the last one that I worked on is the cherry bag topper. This one is super cute, and I did not bag it with, I didn't put it on a bag or anything, but look how stinking cute it is. That's the back of it. And you could decorate this as much as you want. My colors were a little off. I probably should have done a little bit more contrast, but I love it. This one, I think if you can find some cherry tea bags, this would be a good tea bag favor. Yes, it would put a little bit more, time into creating something like that, but it would be so cute on a bag with a thing of tea. I tried to find cherry tea. I don't have any. I'm not going to buy any because I'm going to use what I have, which is significant amount. But anyway, that's what I've worked on so far. I did try to work on the cherry sentiments. I'm having trouble cutting out the words, so I have to find a different way of doing it. I tried to cut it out on glitter. I tried to cut it out on holographic, and I just couldn't get it to work. So I'm going to try a different method, to maybe with parchment paper or wax paper. I can't remember which one I need to use, but I'm going to try that method to get these to cut out. And once I do, I'll come back and show more projects that I'm going to work on with these. But anyway, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. I enjoyed working with these, and it was a lot of fun. This little lip balm is so stinking cute. That lip balm holder is cute, and it's easy. It's so easy. And if you want a tutorial for any of it, please let me know, and I'll be glad to do a tutorial. Have a great day, guys. I may or may not be on next week. It is Christmas week, and I do work Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, so I may or may not be on for Wednesday and Friday. It just depends on if I have time. Anyway, you guys take care and have a great weekend, and Merry Christmas if I don't talk to you next week. All right, bye.